Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Dear students, today we are going to learn and write numbers 31st to 35. Let's start our counting together. Look at the first box. We have some blocks here. Count them: 10 blue, 10 green and 10 red. And one more, that's make 31st. Now trace and write 3 and 1, 31. Say with me, 31. Next number is 32. Count the blocks again, 10 plus 10 plus 10 and 2 more. Let's make 32. Very good, student. Trace number 3 and 2, 32. Now look at the next comes 33. 10, 30 and 3 more blocks. That makes 33. Trace and write 3 and 3, 33. Next comes 34. Let's count 10 blue blocks, 10 green blocks and 10 red and 4 more blocks. That makes 34. Write and trace 34. Write and trace 3 and 4, 34. The last number is 35. 10 plus 10 plus 10 and 5 more. Let's make 35. Trace and write 35. Trace and write 3 and 5, 35. Student, today we are learn number 31st to 35 on page number 27. Students, you all did very good. Goodbye.